Silencio, ¿eh? Está durmiendo. Perfecto. Caja todos los condimentos.
National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Central Cannon County in Middle Tennessee until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Woodbury and Bradyville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
¡Wow! ¡Qué buena idea! ¡Stew! Vamos a comentar la música perfecta para ustedes. Empezando con el B Zombie, que es el músico. Es el tocador y usted va a tocar la música. ¿Y yo? ¿Qué es la canción? Bueno, sí, está bien. Ahora sí, vamos a comenzar.
Do, re, mi, fa.
Vea, traje estos condimentos para ustedes.
National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a flash flood warning for central Osage County until 10:45 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by Emergency Management reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Osage City, Carbondale, Overbrook, Linden, Burlingame, Scranton, Redding, and Pomona Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
¿Están listos? Ajá, sí, pueden comenzar. Estoy seguro que va a perder.
Are you ready? 1 + 1 is 2. It's time for me and you. 5 + 5 is 8. Everything gonna be alright. Forget about the screens. Let's go and have some fun. Run around the yard. We can jump, skip and run. Phones are scary. Just forget it. Kick the ball, ride your bike, move your happy feet, ditch the phone. Let's play outside. Feel the sunshine. Let's enjoy the ride. Mom says get off that phone. It's time to play. Grab your shoes, let's go.
Chicos, mañana es el estreno de Domingalandia 777, que se lo puede perder en Jetix 2.
Way outside, feel the sunshine. Let's enjoy the ride. Yoga, hockey, girl, no. Quick, quick, expect it. Throw away the phone. Let's do a funny dance. Spin around, jump high, take a silly chance. On the skiddy, just forget it. Kick the phone, ride your bike, move your happy feet. Ditch the phone, let's play outside. Feel the sunshine, let's enjoy the ride. So no more phones, no more skibbity on the screen. Let's get outside and make the world serene. Phones are skibbity, but life is too cool. Get out there, play hard, let's break all the rules. Woo!
¡El fin!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nashville, Hill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Adiós, hasta la próxima. Adiós, zombie. Nos vemos mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós, hasta mañana también. What? ¿Y el hilo? ¿Y ese hilo? Vamos, llévame contigo. Ok, vamos allá. What the fuck? Eso es extremo. ¿Cómo lo puede hacer? ¿Estoy loco o qué? Bueno, voy a regresar a mi casa. Guau, ¿por qué el cielo está tan rojo? No sé, eso es algo extraño, esto es algo inusual, nunca pasa todos los días. Chicos, casa de Huggy Wuggy. Bebé Huggy Wuggy, tú deberías estudiar. No, hoy no quiero. ¿Esto también? No, tampoco. Entonces esto. No, no quiero. ¡Ah! Esto. No, tampoco. Mejor me voy para el cuarto. Ahora sí, hora de jugar tranquilo. Salió. Vamos a jugar con 3 controles y listo. Vamos a seguir jugando. Hora de electrocutar estos electrodomésticos. ¡Guau! ¿Por qué no funciona?
National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Oldham County, Potter County, Southern Moore County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Bushland, or 10 miles northwest of Amarillo, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Bushland, Four-Way, Valley de Oro, Masterson, Lake Meredith, Wildorado, and Amarillo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Moore, Oldham, and Potter.
Fase 1. No, esto es tan aburrido. Fíjate. Voy. Ahora sí, para aspirar a la chica que me gusta. ¡Ey! Está aquí, por aquí es. Estoy algo nerviosa, no sé si lo puedo cargar. ¡Oh!